I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a name tag. First, open Canva and navigate to the search bar. Type name tag to explore hundreds of available templates. Take a moment to browse and select a design that perfectly matches your event's theme or your company's branding. Remember to think about the final size, perhaps a common 3 by 2 inch format, and the orientation, whether landscape or portrait, right from the start. Now, let's personalize your chosen template. Click on any text box to edit names, job titles, or company affiliations. Feel free to experiment with different fonts and color schemes to match your brand's identity. You can easily upload your own logo or other graphics to make the name tag truly unique. Canva offers a wide array of design elements to help you achieve your desired look with ease. Next, focus on the crucial information. Make sure names and roles are prominent and easy to read, even from a distance of several feet. Consider adding a QR code that links to a digital business card or event schedule, enhancing attendee engagement. You might also include a company website, a social media handle, or a brief tagline to convey more about the individual or organization. Finally, it's time to prepare your name tags for printing. Download your design as a PDF print file to ensure the highest quality resolution. For best results, print on sturdy cardstock, perhaps a 100-pound weight, or utilize a professional printing service. To protect your beautifully designed name tags and make them last throughout your event, consider laminating them or placing them in clear badge holders.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.